Nigerians, stop paying money to the Nigerian police to help you track your phone. Now, you need to be informed before you act. And this message is basically to Nigerians on phone and SIM tracking. In recent times, many of you have reached out to share your experiences with me. I have heard countless stories of individuals seeking help from the police to track their phone, SIM cards, or even individuals tied to crimes. But yet, time and time again, many of these cases remain unresolved. Despite paying significant sums of money, the expected results often don't materialize, and it leaves many frustrated and disillusioned. I believe we must understand something important. Not every Nigerian police station has the equipment, the expertise, or even the authority to carry out phone tracking. Sadly, in many cases, what happened is exploitation. Most police will exploit you and they will take money from you. People lost not just their stolen possession, but also they lost most of their hard-earned money in the process of trying to recover their devices that was being stolen. But let me say this. I want us to reflect and ask critical questions before rushing into actions that may kind of worsen our situation. Before you approach law enforcement for tracking assistance, there are certain vital questions you must ask yourself. Number one is does this station have the necessary tools and technical or ability to track phones or SIMs? Not all police stations are equipped for this, and you must verify their capability before you try to engage them. Other question you can ask yourself, is this officer you are dealing with authorized to handle such cases? Some officers might claim they can help, but lack the required maybe jurisdiction or skills. What is the process and how long will it take? You must have such conversation. If you are paying for a service, you deserve to understand the steps and the timeline for results. You need to be able to ask, is there a documented procedure for tracking cases? If I were you, I would say insist on proper documentation to ensure accountability and avoid being exploited. Because some of them will say bring cash, they don't want to collect transfer. The question again is, who is the right authority to handle this? Cases involving phone tracking are better directed to senior officials such as an Assistant Inspector General (AIG) or the Inspector General, which is IG of police, who kind of have access to the right tools and some resources. I think for Nigerians, we must stop assuming that every police station is capable of resolving these matters. Being a police station or seeing a police station doesn't automatically mean they are equipped or licensed for advanced tracking. And many cases I've heard involve people paying money to the wrong channels and ending up with nothing. This is not to discredit the Nigerian police force as a whole. They are officers and units doing their jobs diligently. But as citizens, we must be cautious and informed to avoid falling victims to extortion or inefficiency. I believe we shouldn't compound our challenges by making hasty decisions. Instead, I would say let's be vigilant, ask the right questions, and approach the right authorities. If anyone doubts this claim, I have countless of messages and stories from Nigerians whose cases remain unresolved for years. My message is simple: be informed, be cautious, don't let desperation lead you into exploitation. And I believe together we can hold systems accountable and we can become more knowledgeable. And please, if you want to ask me anything about all these things, I always tell you, first of all, go lay a report with the law enforcement before you can come to me with a lot of things. But do not get exploited by most of this law enforcement. That's my subject. Have a great day. I hope it's useful to you guys. So those ones who are chatting me, I hope if you share these videos to the world, most Nigerians would at least save their money, not lose the vices, and then lose money to certain individuals. Hope to see you guys later. Happy Sunday, everyone. Happy New Year in advance. Love you all from the man of thought, aka the villain of truth, aka the Black Panther of Nigeria. Hope to see you all. Bye bye for now. Adios, amigos.
When you are revolutionary and you talk the truth, people will come and slap you down. Then you talk the truth again, they lock you in jail. They never hear anything at all. Then go hear pansa pansa. When you are revolutionary and you talk the truth, people will come and slap you down. Then you talk the truth again, they lock you in jail. They never hear anything at all. Then go hear pansa pansa.